Hey guys, John, Vapor Hunting Technologies here. Since we have these two machines side by side, this is a Weekend Warrior model. We do build it in an 800 base and an 800 FL, but we have the new 1200P cabinet side by side here. You can see the size difference. A lot of people ask us why they would buy a larger machine, like what's the benefit, what's the value. Basically, when you get into larger engine blocks, transmission parts, frame assemblies, things like that, you want to make sure that you have enough height in the cabinet and enough depth and width so that you can turn and spin items in the machine while you're blasting. That way you don't have to open the door, reposition the part, and go back to blasting. Now, if you're on a budget and your budget doesn't allow you to buy a bigger machine, then a smaller machine will work. You just have to reposition the part. But hopefully, with our 0% financing options that we have available now, if you have a business, you can finance this machine and grab a larger cabinet like this, or even a stainless version like that, and you can get a bigger cabinet for the money. That way you can reposition while you're blasting. But that's why people need a bigger blasting chamber or bigger work area. Look, I myself have made things work in the past, on not having a big enough blasting chamber. You just open the door, reposition, and go again. But that's why you need a bigger cabinet, and again, it's just for repositioning purposes, or heck, who knows, might be bragging rights too with your buddies. Never know. But as always, we hope this helped. If you do have questions, please call or email the sales team. Thanks for watching.